Everybody hit it with me, hit the sea lion. Everybody doing with me, hit the sea lion. We about to walk around talking about hit the everybody hit the four-legged sea lion. My grandma see a sea lion and she fat as hell. Push my grandma down the stairs, she sound like this. My cousin don't speak English, he speaks sea lion. We don't speak English, he speaks sea lion. I'm trying to get that green like a sea lion. I'm trying to come that cash like a sea lion. I'm moving in the water.